Ever wondered how to turn your creative flair into cash? Stay tuned as we unlock the exercises that not only hone your design skills, but can also line your pockets. Hey there, and welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Are you passionate about graphic design or perhaps looking to elevate your skills to the next level? Well, today we've got a treat for you. We're diving deep into hands-on exercises that not only refine your craft, but could also open doors to multiple income streams. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of challenges that could be the game changer in your graphic design journey. So don't miss out! Stick around and let's transform those creative ideas into tangible success. Graphic design is a powerful tool that helps to visually communicate ideas. It combines art and technology to deliver messages in an aesthetically pleasing and impactful way. Be it logos, posters, or websites, graphic design is everywhere. Let's dive into some practical exercises to sharpen your skills. One of the most fundamental exercises is to design a logo. It's a fun challenge that stimulates creativity and pushes you to understand the brand's identity. Next, try creating a poster for an event. This exercise will have you juggling multiple design elements while ensuring a clear message. It's a great way to practice composition, color theory, and typography. Designing social media graphics is another excellent exercise. These are usually small, simple, yet effective designs. This activity helps you understand how to grab attention quickly and convey your message efficiently. Another worthwhile exercise is redesigning existing websites. This allows you to understand the principles of web design and improve your layout skills. It also lets you analyze what works and what doesn't in real-world applications. Now let's talk about making money online with graphic design. Freelancing is a popular choice. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are platforms where you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Feeling enlightened? Amplify the experience. Click subscribe, show your support with a thumbs up, and stay updated with the bell. The journey's just beginning. Dive deeper with me. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel is another way. Share your design knowledge and experiences. As your audience grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Selling digital products is also a great option. Create templates, brushes, fonts, or icons, and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. You could also consider teaching online. Websites like Skillshare and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses. Share your knowledge, help others learn, and earn money while doing so. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram or Behance are perfect for showcasing your work and attracting potential clients. Consistency and quality content can lead to collaborations and job opportunities. Remember, becoming a successful graphic designer doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent practice, patience, and creativity. But these exercises and money-making strategies can guide you on your journey. Still on board? Your patience is about to yield dividends. Dive into a free ebook and reveal the framework of the prime online business ready for action today. And guess what? The revelations don't stop there. Beyond this guide, a spellbinding 15-day challenge is set to unfold, bespoke crafted for this digital expedition. Embark with unparalleled mentorship, breakthrough insights, and a suite of resources set to elevate your online trajectory. Feel the anticipation? Delay no more! Engage with the link in the description pronto and set forth on your path to e-commerce prominence. As we cross the finish line for today, I'm revved up to hear your race results. Took a lap with the method I spotlighted, gauging its speed? Rev your engines in the comments. And if there's a roadblock of a question, flash your high beams. I'm geared up and ready to assist. Your pit stops shape our racetrack ahead. Got a turbo boost from today's insights? Hit the gas on that like button. Hungry for more high-octane content? Lock in with a subscribe and sound the horn with the bell. Ride shotgun for every thrilling update. But before you hit the open road, notice that video in your rearview mirror? It's the gateway to another exhilarating circuit you'll want to conquer. Take the wheel and let's keep the RPMs high together. Until the next green light,